Hey guys, we've recently launched wish lists on our page as an added feature, and this can be used to save your favorite pieces to come back later and have a look and buy them later, or to share it with friends and family if you want to drop a hint for a nice Christmas or birthday gift. And basically on our main page, you'll see a little heart in the right-hand corner. If you click on that, it'll take you to a link of the wish list page, and there you must just click on the link and sign up. You'll need to verify your email address using, you'll get an email, and once you sign in, you'll be able to see your wish list. So then you can just browse our collections, and there's a little heart underneath each collection. If it's empty, it means that it hasn't been selected, and if you select it, it'll be added to your wish list. So you can just add away, scroll through, add the pieces you like. And then if you click the hearts on the right-hand screen, it will take you to your wish list, and there's various ways in which you can share your wish list. The first button is a link, which will give you a link that you can copy and paste. Then there's Pinterest and WhatsApp. Let's check out WhatsApp now. So you just select who you wanted to send it to, and it'll give them the link to your wish list. Here you can add a personalized message. There's also other various ways you can share the wish list. You can either mail it or share it on Pinterest or Facebook. Well, I hope you like this new feature, guys, and I hope it's super helpful. Have a great evening, and yeah, we'll chat to you soon. Cheers, bye.